Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Jai Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandradhara Jaya Bhakta Vrinda
Jai Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandradhara
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Jayo Jayo Shri Chaitanya, Jayo Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda
Jaya Dvaita Chandra, Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare,
Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे प्रभु जी प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी सदा। हरे
What
कृष्ण प्रभु जी
happened?
Hare
दंडवत
Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
No, what happens is actually
हरे
there is phase difference. When you sing, it comes after 30 seconds, so it doesn't match. We should do with muted. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Chalo. Now we will go to Chaitanya Charitamrita. 102.
Yes प्रभु जी।
So where is our we can open. Where is Kuhu Mataji is there?
Mataji is not there, Prabhuji.
Okay. So you know Bengali Mataji, you are in Bangladesh, no? Chalo, start singing.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. CC Adi Leela 7.102. Eta shuni hasi Prabhu bolila vachana dukka na manaha yadi kari nivedana. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki jai. After hearing the Mayavadi sannyasi speak in that way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled slightly and said, "My dear sirs, if you don't mind, I can say something to you regarding Vedanta philosophy." Purport: The Mayavadi sannyasis, appreciating Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, inquired from him why he did not discuss Vedanta philosophy. Actually, however, the entire system of Vaishnava activities is based on Vedanta philosophy. Vaishnavas do not neglect Vedanta, but they do not care to understand Vedanta on the basis of Sharirika Bhashya commentary. Therefore, to clarify the situation, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, with the permission of the Mayavadi sannyasis, wanted to speak regarding Vedanta philosophy. The Vaishnavas are by far the greatest philosophers in the world, and the greatest among them was Srila Jiva Goswami Prabhu, whose philosophy was again presented less than 400 years later by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakura Maharaj. Therefore, one must know very well that Vaishnava philosophers are not sentimentalists or cheap devotees like the Sahajiyas. All the Vaishnava acharyas were vastly learned scholars who understood Vedanta philosophy fully, for unless one knows Vedanta philosophy, he cannot be an acharya. To be accepted as an acharya among Indian transcendentalists who follow the Vedic principles, one must become a vastly learned scholar in Vedanta philosophy either by studying it or hearing it. Bhakti develops in pursuance of Vedic philosophy, Vedanta philosophy. This is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.12. तच्छ्रद्धया धनामुनयो ज्ञानवैराग्ययुक्तया पश्यन्तात्मनि चात्मानं भक्त्या श्रुतु गृहीतया. The words bhakta, bhaktya, shruta, grihitaya in this verse are very important, for they indicate that bhakti must be based upon the philosophy of the Upanishads and Vedanta Sutra. Srila Rupa Goswami said, श्रुति स्मृति पुराणादि पंचरात्र विधिं विना ऐकांतिकी हरे भक्ति उत्पातैव कल्पते. Devotional service performed without the reference to Vedas, Puranas, Pancharatras, etc. must be considered sentimentalism, and it causes nothing but disturbance to society. There are different grades of Vaishnavas, Kanishtadhikari, Madhyamadhikari, and Uttamadhikari. But to be a Madhyamadhikari preacher, one must be learned scholar in the Vedanta Sutra and other Vedic literatures, because when Bhakti Yoga develops on the basis of Vedanta philosophy, it is factually steady. In this verse connection, We may quote the translation and purport of the verse mentioned above, Bhagavatam 1.2.12. Translation. The seriously inquisitive student or sage, well equipped with knowledge and detachment, realizes that absolute truth by rendering devotional service in terms of what he has heard from the Vedanta Shruti. Purport. The absolute truth is realized in full by the process of devotional service to the Lord, Vasudeva, or the personality of Godhead, who is a full-fledged absolute truth. Brahman is his transcendental bodily effulgence and Paramatma is his partial representation. As such, Brahman or Paramatma realization of the absolute truth is but a partial realization. There are 4 different types of human beings: the karmis, the jnanis, the yogis, and the devotees. The karmis are materialistic, whereas the other 3 are transcendental. The first class transcendentalists are the devotees who have realized the Supreme Person. The second class transcendentalists are those who have partially realized the plenary portion of the Absolute Person. And the third class transcendentalists are those who have barely realized the spiritual focus of the Absolute Person. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita and other Vedic literatures, the Supreme Person is realized by devotional service, which is backed by full knowledge and detachment from material association. We have already discussed the point that devotional service is followed by knowledge and detachment from material association. As Brahman and Paramatma realization are imperfect realizations of the absolute truth, so the means of realizing Brahman and Paramatma, that is the paths of Jnana and Yoga, are also imperfect means of realizing the absolute truth. The devotional service, which is based on the foreground of full knowledge combined with detachment from material association, and which is fixed by the dint of oral reception of Vedanta Shruti, is the only perfect method by which the seriously inquisitive student can realize the absolute truth. Devotional service is not therefore meant for the less intelligent class of transcendentalists. There are 3 classes of devotees, namely first, second, and third class. The third class devotees are the neophytes who have no knowledge, are not detached from material association, but who are simply attracted by the preliminary process of worshipping the deity in the temple, are called material devotees. Material devotees are more attached to the material benefit than transcendental benefit. Therefore, one has to make definite progress from the position of the material devotional association to the second class devotional position. In the second class position, the devotee can see 4 principles in devotional line, namely the personality of Godhead, his devotees, the ignorant, and the envious. One has to raise himself at least to the stage of the second class devotee and thus become eligible to know the absolute truth. A third class devotee therefore has to receive the instructions of devotional service from the authoritative sources of Bhagavata. The number 1 Bhagavata is the established personality of devotee, and the other Bhagavata is a message of Godhead. The third class devotee therefore has to go to the personality of devotee in order to learn the instructions of devotional service. Such a personality of devotee is not a professional man who earns his livelihood by the business of Bhagavatam. Such a devotee must be a representative of Shukadeva Goswami, like Suta Goswami, and must preach the cult of devotional service for the all-around benefit of all people. A neophyte devotee has very little taste for hearing from the authorities. Such a neophyte devotee makes a show of hearing from the professional man to satisfy his senses. This sort of hearing and chanting has spoiled the whole thing. So, one should be very careful about the faulty process. The holy messages of Godhead, as inculcated in the Bhagavad Gita or in the Srimad Bhagavatam, are undoubtedly transcendental subjects. But even though they are so, such transcendental matters are not to be received from the professional man, who spoils them as a serpent spoils milk simply by touch of his tongue. A sincere devotee must, therefore, be prepared to hear the Vedic literatures like Upanishads, Vedanta Sutra, and other literatures left by the previous authorities or Goswamis for the benefit of his progress. Without hearing such literatures, one cannot make actual progress. And without hearing and following the instructions, the show of devotional service becomes worthless and therefore a sort of disturbance in the path of devotional service. Unless therefore, devotional service is established on the principle of Shruti, Smriti, Purana, and Pancharatra authorities, the make show of devotional service should be at once rejected. An authorized devotee should never be recognized as a pure devotee. By assimilation of such messages from the Vedic literatures, one can see the all-pervading localized aspect of the personality of Godhead with his whole self constantly. This is called Samadhi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाशात देशतारिणे जयो श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासुद गौर भक्तवृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे. So the big purport, big shloka. Eta shuni hashi prabhu bali lavachana.
एताशुनिहासे प्रभो बलिनावचना
Dukha namanahaya dikari nevedana.
दुःखनामनाय करि निवेदना.
After hearing the Mayavadi sannyasi speak in that way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled slightly and said, "My dear sirs, if you don't mind, I can say something to you regarding the Vedanta philosophy." Hare Krishna, everybody.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
Hare
कृष्णा प्रभु जी सादर प्रणाम.
प्रभु जी है, कुहू माता जी है.
आ गए, ठीक है. ठीक है. Now let us just digest what we heard. I think Vedavyasa, what is the right first? ठीक है. These books are actually already existing in the form of Shruti. ठीक है. But he puts down into writing because wonderful people of Kali Yuga that we are, our memory is very, very short. ठीक है ना? So therefore, Prayana Alpayusha Sabhya. Yes, who knows the shloka?
कलौ अस्मिन् युगे जनाः मन्दा सुमन्द मतयो मन्द भाग्य उपद्रताः. हरे कृष्ण.
ठीक है. So Alpa Ayusha, the people in Kali Yuga, short life. Alpa Ayusha. Yuge Manda, very dull-headed. Sumanda Matayo, no intelligence. Manda Bhagya, very unfortunate. Upadita, always disturbed. This is the situation of people of Kali Yuga. Seeing that, Vedavyasa understand, these are dull people, what to do? So first, one Vedas he divided into 4, made it organized. Then within the Vedas, 100 Upanishads. You can pull as many Upanishads you want. It's just like one portion of the Vedas. Like from Mahabharata, one portion you call Gita. Okay? So 100 Upanishads are prominent. And we study which one? Isha. Ishavasya Upanishad. Done. Then he wrote Puranas 17. First. In which some of the Puranas, Padma Puran, Radha Govinda ki jai. Okay. And after that, he writes Mahabharata, which is also massive work. Summarizes whole the Vedas in 555 sutras, which are called Vedanta Sutra. And then he is not feeling happy. That is the beginning of Bhagavatam. He is not feeling satisfied. So he prays he is thinking, what is wrong I have done? I have done so much work. Now this is something lakhs of shlokas which he has done. And still he is feeling, no, I am not completed. So what does he do now? At this moment, Narad Muni comes and guides him. My dear disciple, you have not properly glorified the Lord. So he writes a bhashya on Vedanta called Vedanta Bhashya called Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay? Bhashyanam Brahma Sutranam. This is the bhashya on the Vedanta Sutra. So this much work he has done. Even after this, he is feeling okay, sorry. Now he writes the 18th Bhag of Purana Bhagavatam, And then he feels completely satisfied. So this is Vedavyasa. So where does the Bhagavatam stand? It stands as a natural commentary on the Vedanta. So it's a very, very unique literature. Now, as the Kali Yuga began, everything collapsed, and we had Vedas, on the whole body of the Vedic literature thrown away because it was being misused, just like everything has a utility. Vedas have a utility to purify the people. When people are rather looking at Vedas, some, just like lawyers look. How do the lawyers look at laws? How to find a loophole. You ask a chartered accountant or lawyer, what is their job? The job is not to follow the rule. Find some loopholes so people can break the rule. एक लॉयर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट में एक बार लॉयर को मिला, मैंने कहा यार तुम्हारा तो मतलब पूरा चीज़ ही एक लॉजिक की तरह होगा, ये तो मतलब इसका ये तो मतलब इसका ये। एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को मिलो, आपका काम भी यही होगा, इधर तो इतना टैक्स नहीं। बोला हमारा ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है किधर लॉ में कोई खोट है, उससे लोगों को उनको बचाने के। सिमिलरली चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट में ढूंढता है कहाँ पे कोई एक खोट है जिससे अपना टैक्स बच जाए क्लाइंट का, है ना। So when the whole purpose of the Vedas is being misused, at that time, what happens? Something specially happens. Buddha comes, he said, throw the Vedas. Well, the purpose is lost. No? Vedas were given for self-purification. और तुम कुछ और कर रहे हो। अब किताबें आपको भगवद गीता दी, भगवद गीता किस लिए दी? आप उससे पवित्र हो जाएं, है ना। लेकिन आप उधर उधर कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो अपना सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन के, कोई एक उसमें से क्लू ढूंढ रहे हो, तो मतलब ये हटाओ, तुमको इन किताबों का जरूरत नहीं, फेंक दो, है ना। तुम उन किताबों में बैठ के तुम उनको पानी पूरी खा रहे हो, उन किताबों पे रख के, मतलब इन किताबों को हटाओ यार, डोंट यूज दिस बुक्स। सो जस्ट इमेजिन व्हेन द पर्पस इज लॉस्ट, when the essence is lost, everything gone away. And Bhagavad Gita also says, evam parampara praptam imam rajayasha yuduhu sakalena mahata yoga nashtha. Nashtha, parampara se gyan aa raha hai, nashtha, becomes over a period of time destroyed. Parampara. Yes, anybody knows the shloka, evam parampara praptam?
एवं परंपरा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकालेन महता योगो नष्ट परन्तप।
Very good. Okay. So Pura Ved Jab, the Buddha took it away and he said, let us become gentlemen, not give pain to another people. And then next was, the Shankaracharya came back to bring the Vedas back to the society. And then the Vaishnavacharyas followed the thing. Okay? So this is the overall. But many people, because Shankaracharya, Shivji himself, very powerful, and he preached, to this day they have, that's the only interpretation of Vedanta they know. They don't know that Vaishnava is much higher than them. They don't know. Therefore, around the world we have Vedanta Society. This is actually the work of Shankaracharya followers. Okay? Direct followers and diluted followers. Mostly they are diluted. Some here and there. Actually they don't follow him also, but they take name. They are not under his parampara. They just take his name and they teach whatever nonsense they like to teach. Just like on Sunday we give khichdi. Anna? So similarly people make some khichdi, some meditation. We have seen many people come to the temple. Nice kirtan is going on. Piche baith ke. Nobody to educate them. That's the biggest problem. So now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has an opportunity. What is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing? He is trying to bring out the conclusion of Shastra in front of this. So I was talking about khichdi. So khichdi में क्या होता है? इंडिया में सभी हिंदू के घर में खिचड़ी पकता है बस। कोई परंपरा नहीं, कोई गुरु नहीं। गुरु भी नाम का, उसको फॉलो नहीं करते। क्या बनाते हैं? खिचड़ी। एक टीवी से सुना, एक ये खिचड़ी डाला, एक इधर कुछ योगासना सुना वो डाला, और आत्म जिज्ञासा 0। ठीक है ना? तो दूसरे लोगों को छोड़ो, अपना ही करो. Every day morning you take breakfast, write down Atma Jigyasa, some questions. Who am I? Why am I existing? What is the goal of my life? Correct? Why I am suffering? Okay, some questions you don't, these questions you don't answer. Some questions, why did I leave Krishna's lotus feet? You know? How will I become a pure devotee to go back? Write some questions for which you do not know the answer. Correct? How can I become pure devotee and go back to the spiritual world? You know? Why did I leave my eternal Lord? What is my eternal service to Krishna which I left? You know? What is my confidential service to Krishna which I have forgotten? What is my confidential relationship to Krishna which I have forgotten? And write some questions like that. Hoga na? Okay, when will I understand the real glories of Acharya Prabhupada? When will it happen that I can really appreciate the service of Vaishnavas? Write certain things which are not in your heart now. Correct? True or not? They are not in my heart now. Okay. So you write all the, when I can really understand the glories of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is said that just by hearing Gauranga Bolite Hove, Pulaka Sharira, whole Sharira, when will it happen that my whole body will shake in ecstasy when I chant Krishna's name? Tav naam grihane bhavishrati. When will it happen? So write all that. Right? Yes, I've likho. Then after that, your day will be purposeful because you are trying to fulfill something. Otherwise, just like standard Hindu, idhar-udhar bhatak rahe, without any meaning. Don't do that. In fact, Prabhupada was so disgusted because he had seen them in India for a long time. When in the Western countries somebody said, Prabhupada, हमारा kitchen में कुछ Hindus आए हैं, वो cooking करना चाहते हैं. Prabhupada बिल्कुल भी allow नहीं करने का. बिल्कुल भी allow नहीं. See, he had a very bad opinion. So let us not live to that opinion. बिल्कुल भी ये लोग कुछ नहीं सुधरेंगे. ये कभी serious नहीं होंगे. That was his experience was really bad. But true, Prabhupada also said when they take it up, they will do better than everybody because it is their own culture. They will do very fast. Okay, and that is the situation today. And in Prabhupada time, it did not happen actually. Prabhupada time, there were hardly anybody coming forward. Hardly anybody was. Prabhupada actually, when he came to India, he brought 500 foreign devotees with him. And he saw when he came back and launched the mission in India, there was some appreciation, but people are not picking it up. So Prabhupada saw that. But he also saw a very interesting thing when he did program in Bombay, Delhi and Kolkata, big pandal programs. He saw Indians dressed in Western dress, coat, pant, hat, dancing in Kirtan. And the Westerners are dressed in this dress. Contrast. So Prabhupada was watching and his wish is there, his desire was there. Otherwise, why will Prabhupada open so many temples in India? He wanted, and Prabhupada is very pleased today. So many people are taking it up. But still, we should become serious. Okay? Then it will give very much pleasure to Srila Prabhupada. Okay. So then we understand. So let us not make khichdi out of idhar se kuch, udhar se kuch. That's what all the organizations are. 99.9999. Perhaps there is hardly any organization teaching Krishna Bhakti. Hai? So some khichdi, some meditation, some yogasana, some pranayama, hai? And some here and there philosophy and some khichdi and sell it. That's all. And they even have audacity to comment. Oh, these are like that. They comment on ISKCON also, like that. They get some 10-15 followers and they become crazy fellows. But Srila Prabhupada was not doing that. He wanted to throw Kali Purusha out of the earth planet itself. Can you imagine? His plan is very big. Like Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj was telling Kali Purusha, get out of my kingdom. He told her not. He told this, get out of my kingdom. You do not have a place here. That is what Srila Prabhupada's mission is. He's not thinking of small, he's thinking very big. Therefore, if you read his books, you see how vast his mission is. He's not thinking, ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग एक छोटा मंदिर बना दिया, अभी 10-15 लोग इकट्ठे हो गया भाई हमारा, हम जाके बैठ के सो जाओ. No. He is not thinking like that. Otherwise, even with the mission launching, even with 108 temples, Prabhupada is not sleeping, he's still writing. Every letter Srila Prabhupada used to reply, every letter. To spend his day, not a half a second was wasted. We waste whole day, we throw away whole day is engaged. How his heart is feeling so much compassion. People are suffering, what can I do? He's thinking in that intense way, what can I do? And therefore he is not sleeping. It's not that he is not getting sleep. He's writing. He's trying as much, and every word he's writing is nectar, the greatest treasure on earth, art of a pure devotee. Okay. So let us take advantage. Now, this very important instance, just when we come to bhakti, we are in the level of Kanishta Bhaktas. Prabhupada is saying there are three kinds of bhakta. What is that? Kanishta, Madhyama, Uttama. So Prabhupada says at least we should come to the Madhyama level. So what is the Kanishta level of bhakti? All Hindus are in that category. Prabhupada says as far as India is concerned, everybody the Vaishnava, that means Kanishta Vaishnava. They go to temples, they don't go, they go, they bow down to the Lord. Don't they do that? Right. Okay. So they bow down to the Lord. Do they do that or not? They do that. People do. They take Charnamrit, they take Prasadam. Correct? All this we do see. We do see. Correct? We see or not? But very, very rare. Somebody becoming more serious. Hai? Madhyama level means now he understands the philosophy. His faith is nishtha, firm now. And then his faith has become firm, he's taken diksha and strictly following the rules and regulations. His whole life is strictly regulated. This is Madhyama. Philosophically, he is completely convinced now, he will not fall down now. Madhyamadikari will not fall down. Uttama cannot fall down. Uttama is in Krishna Prema. Kanishta can fall down. Kanishta means he is doing devotion service, then just like yesterday we were discussing. What is the word we are using yesterday, whole class?
Nirupita.
Nirupita, fixed, concluded. But that is Uttama Bhakta. Madhyama is fixed, but he cannot fix everybody. He is more or less fixed now. And Kanishta is wobbling. So, by the mercy of the Acharya, see what happens, how we are fixed. We are fixed by realizations. If it is not realization, then it will not last. You appreciate? हिंदी में चलेगा ना अच्छा? हाँ, देखिए क्या है, तीन तरह का भक्त है. एक कृष्ण के चरण में फिक्स्ड है, उसका मन अस्थिर नहीं होता, हिलता नहीं है. वो पूरा दिन बैठेगा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा. उसको 2 घंटा दे दो, 10 घंटा दे दो हरे कृष्णा, वो उसको हिल नहीं सकता, फिक्स हो गया है ना. कनिष्ठ भक्त क्या है, करने का भक्ति है, थोड़ा सो जाता हूँ अभी, फिर उठ के करूँगा हरे कृष्णा. अभी वो सीरियस नहीं हो पाया. एंड ही इज नॉट फिक्स ऑल्सो. थोड़ा थोड़ा सोचता है. इंदिरा भोग में भी बहुत आनंद है. यहाँ मूवी भी सुपर है, तो उसको अभी पूरा तरह से कन्विंस नहीं हुआ है. करेक्ट? समझ गया? अलग अलग कैटेगरी का ना, भक्त भी अलग अलग कैटेगरी का है. एक उत्तम भक्त हो गया, जैसे आचार्य होते हैं, बड़े बड़े आचार्य, वो भगवान पर समाधि उनका. एक हमारा हो गया, भक्ति शुरू हुआ है लेकिन अभी फिक्स नहीं है, थोड़ा कभी कभी आता है ठीक कर रहा हूँ मैं, ऐसे समय बर्बाद कर रहा हूँ. ये कनिष्ठ भक्त होता है. मध्यमा क्या होता है, वो भक्ति को थोड़ा किया, अब वो छोड़ने नहीं वाला. वो किसी भी हालत में नाम जप नहीं छोड़ेगा. अब मध्यमा हो गया, थोड़ा फिक्स्ड अप हो गया. उत्तमा मतलब उसको साधना का जरूरत नहीं. वो देखिए, कनिष्ठ भक्त जब जप करता है मन नहीं करता, अरे कृष्णा यार कब खत्म होंगे 16 माला, इतनी माला है. देखिए, मध्यमा भक्त सत्वगुण में आ जाता है, लेकिन जपा में अभी भी एफर्ट है, हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण. उत्तम भक्त कृष्ण प्रेम, दिल में क्या है उसके, कृष्ण प्रेम. हृदय कृष्ण प्रेम से बह रहा है, वो कौन सा भक्त हो गया? उत्तम भक्त। तो हमको उधर उसमें जब जो होता है, देयर इज नो एफर्ट, ओनली द होली नेम इज मूविंग हिज टंग्स। सो चैतन्य महाप्रभु इज टॉकिंग टू दिस पीपल, दे आर थिंकिंग ही इज जस्ट अ भावुका। अभी लोग ये सोचते हैं, मेनी पीपल, द जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज भक्ति इज फॉर दोज हु वांट टू वर्क हार्ड, दे डू कर्म योगा। वन मैन इज एक्सप्लेनिंग इन हिज क्लास। ऐसे गधे लोग लेक्चर भी लेते हैं। जो मेहनत करना चाहता है वो कर्मयोगी है, और जो थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब्ड है, थोड़ा कमजोर है, वो भक्ति योगी है, भगवान प्रार्थना। और जो विद्वान है वो ज्ञान योगी है। ये जनरली सोसाइटी में प्रथा है। इसीलिए आप देखिए प्रकाशानंद सरस्वती ग्रुप में इसी भावना के अनुसार क्या बोला था, चैतन्य बाबू जो कीर्ति है तो भावुका है, एक कमजोर आदमी, तो लोग भी थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, ताली बजा रहे, बट कोई ज्ञान नहीं है। ये एक बहुत बड़ा मुश्किल है। इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु अभी बोलते हैं, आप कुछ अनुमति दें तो थोड़ा मैं कुछ बोलूं। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब बचपन में थे, उनका क्या नाम था? निमाय पंडित। और उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़े विद्वान को ध्वस्त किया था, उसका नाम क्या था?
केशव कश्मीरी।
केशव कश्मीरी।
वेरी गुड, केशव काश्मीरी। केशव काश्मीरी बहुत बड़े विद्वान थे, वो आए थे आपके नवद्वीप। तो केशव काश्मीरी को ये था कि भाई कोई हमसे बहस करे, तो लोग थोड़ा डर गए, बिकॉज इतना खतरनाक था कि कोई उससे जीत ही नहीं सकता था। तो सब लोग क्या किए, बहाना मारे, अरे मेरे ससुराल में कोई बीमार है, कोई ये है, सब लोग भाग गए और निमाय पंडित को छोड़ गए, तू बात कर लेना। तो निमाय पंडित मिले, वो अपने थोड़े स्टूडेंट्स, उनकी पाठशाला थी, तो उनके साथ वो गंगा के किनारे बैठे रहते थे और अपनी पाठशाला चलती थी। तो आए केशव काश्मीरी, तो उनको मिलने, भाई तुम्ही से बात करनी है। बोले ठीक है। तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने बोला, आप तो बड़े बड़े विद्वान हैं, चलो गंगा पे कुछ श्लोक बोलो। उन्होंने नदी के तरह, एक्चुअली केशव काश्मीरी बृहस्पति के अवतार हैं, तो उन्होंने नदी, जैसे नदी बहती है ऐसे 100 श्लोक बना दिए बड़ा बड़ा गंगा के ऊपर। तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने बोला बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन 64वें श्लोक में आपने कुछ 5 गलतियां कर दी। हाँ, बोला तू छोटा बच्चा चुपा, मैं क्या गलती करता है? तो 5 गलतियां अब अगर आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको चैतन्य चरित्र में पता चलेगा, लेकिन एक तो इजी है जो मेरे को याद है। क्या है, क्या गलती है? गलती का क्या नाम है?
भर्तुर भवानी
भवानी, भवानी भर्ता।
भर्ता।
तो भवा मतलब शिव जी का नाम है, भवानी मतलब शिव जी की बीवी, भवानी भर्ता मतलब शिव जी की बीवी का हस्बैंड। बोला ये क्या है? ये पागलपन है क्या? तुम क्या कर दिए? ये कैसा पोएट्री है? रिडंडेंट है, और इसका थोड़ा गलत मीनिंग भी हो सकता है। भाई आप किसी बोलो आपकी बीवी का हस्बैंड, कोई तीसरे आदमी की बात हो रही है कि थोड़ा डर आता है ना, कोई शक आता है, एज इफ ही हैव अनदर हस्बैंड। सो उसको कहीं मुंह दिखाने को नहीं होता। एंड एक्चुअली प्रेज ऑफ द नाइट, सरस्वती माँ सरस्वती मेरे साथ क्या हो गया, छोटे बच्चे ने मेरे को ध्वस्त कर दिया। एंड से मूर्ख, इज नॉट छोटा बच्चा, ही इज माई लॉर्ड, सुप्रीम लॉर्ड कृष्णा, go and take pardon from him tomorrow. And then anyway, he starts contributing one of the 4 sampradayas. He contributes in one of the, which sampradaya is Keshav Kashmiri contributed later? Anybody knows? Put that question to ChatGPT, they will tell you. Take it done. So this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So now when he is chanting and dancing, he has come. So Prakashananda Saraswati को लगता है ये तो भावुक है। जनरली लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं। भगवत गीता में क्या दिया? वेदेश सर्वैव अहमेव। यस, श्लोक बताओ कोई।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तः स्मृतिर्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृद्वेदविदेव चाहम्। हरे कृष्ण।
सो वेदेश सर्वैव अहमेव वेद्यः। अगर कोई बैठ के कृष्ण का भजन कर रहा है, नाम जप कर रहा है, पूरे वेद पढ़ लिए उसने। क्यों? वेदेश सर्वैव अहमेव वेद्यः। सारे वेद से हमको कृष्ण पे ही चरण में ही आना है ना। इसलिए there is a very shloka, very famous shloka. Who knows the shloka? Aho bato.
Aho bato shva pat. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
नहीं जो याद है तो करो. हाँ.
Yes, Prabhuji. Aho batashva pachato gariyan. It's jigvagre vartate nama tubhyam. Te pustapaste jugvug sanuryarya. Brahmanuchurnama grananti ete.
Anybody else for your perfect pronunciation?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Aho batasva pachoto gariyan yajjivahagre vartate nama tubhyam te pustapaste juhuvur sasurnya brahmanuchurna grunanti ete.
Beautiful. Took aho batoso pacho. Arey, look at this person. Pacho api gariyan. This person is so glorious. Yet Jivagre, in the tip of the tongue, the name of the Lord has come and sat down. Pure दिन Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. भगवान का नाम उसके जीभ पे बैठ गया है. This person is so glorious. Tapas, he must have done tapas. सारी तपस्या कर ली है शायद इसने. तपस, tapas, तू जुहू सुष्णु आर्या. जुहू, इसने सारे यज्ञ भी कर लिए लग रहा है. सुष्णु, इसने सारे तीर्थ में स्नान भी कर लिया. आर्या इज अ वेरी सिविलाइज्ड पर्सन. ब्रह्मानुचूर, सारे वेद स्टडी कर लिए इसने. अब नाम गृहणंती ये थे. आपका नाम कैसे ले रहा है? तो कभी ये नहीं सोचना कि मैं भगवान का बैठ के नाम ले रहा हूं, ये आसान नहीं है. लोग नहीं कर पाते. भारत में सबसे बड़ा नाटक यही चल रहा है. सीरियस होने के लिए लोग रेडी हैं ही नहीं. क्या फर्क है भारत में और दुनिया भर में जो हम प्रचार कर रहे हैं? वहां लोग मर चुके हैं. माया मार के ध्वस्त कर चुकी है. तो जब उनको दिया जाता है, आप भगवान का नाम जो बहुत ध्यान से जप करते हैं. इधर घर की खेती घास बराबर. सीरियस होने का नाम ही नहीं लेता कोई. सीरियस हो जाओ ना, नाम जप करो जरा ध्यान से. हाँ, जब प्रभुपाद जी भारत में आए थे प्रचार, हाँ प्रभु हम मानते हैं भगवान के नाम में बहुत, तो जप करो ना. नहीं, वो नहीं करेंगे. हम पूरा दिन बैठ के टीवी देखेंगे और देखो और जाओ नरक, यही है तुम्हारी गति बस. मतलब पूरा ज्ञान होके भी हम अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. ये सबसे बड़ा मूर्खता है. जैसे रोड में कोई चल रहा है, आगे एक ट्रक आ रहा है. अरे बाबा ध्यान रखो ना, ट्रक आ रहा है. नहीं समझ आ रहा है. पश्यन् अपि न पश्यति, क्या श्लोक है? देहापत्र
देहपत्य कलात्रादिषु आत्मसेनेषु असत्स्वपि तेषां
निधनम्.
तेषां निधनम्
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. यस, हु नोज दिस श्लोक?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dehapatya kalatradišvu atmasainesva satsvapi tesham pramatto nidhanam pashyan api na pashyati.
परफेक्ट. हाँ, पूरा श्लोक बताना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं, आधा नहीं. ठीक है. तो वी नीड टू बिकम सीरियस. ठीक है. वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. हाँ, चैतन्य महाप्रभु से भारत भूमिले मनुष्य जन्म होइले यार. यस, हु नोज दिस श्लोक? क्या हालत है आज, सब चुप बैठे हैं. हाँ.
भारत भूमि ते मनुष्य जन्म है यार, जन्म सार्थक करी परोपकार.
Very good. You are so fortunate to take birth in the land of India. Make life perfect, and then you can benefit others. If you do not follow, then why somebody will follow you? Take it, okay. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is chanting and dancing in public. He is not a sentimentalist. He is a great bhakta of the Lord. And bhakti, the nature is such, the bhakti. That's why Prabhupada quotes the whole shloka in this discussion. You see that Prabhupada is quoting one shloka 1.2.12. And so much so, Prabhupada then puts the whole purport of the shloka in this narration. Correct? Shruti Smriti. Okay, what is that thing? तद श्रद्धाना मुनियो ज्ञान वैराग युक्तया पश्यन्ति आत्मनि चात्मानं भक्ता श्रुता गृहीतिया. Bhaktya means the devotion to the Lord is Shruta Grihitiya, is based on the hearing from the Shastra. It is not sentiment. ऐसे ही जनरली लोग ये सोचते हैं ना, भक्ति बैठ गए, अरे बैठ गए फर्क नहीं पड़ता, भक्तों के बीच में कीर्तन कर रहे हैं, पूरा ज्ञान आ जाएगा. वासुदेवे भगवती भक्ति योगा
वासुदेवे भगवती भक्ति
भगवती भक्ति योग प्रयोजितः जनयत्स्यासु वैराग्यम ज्ञानम च अहैतुकम. हरे कृष्ण.
So automatically ज्ञान वैराग्य will manifest. Doesn't matter. मंदिर गए, वहाँ कीर्तन हो रहा था, बैठ गए. But what will happen? ज्ञान वैराग्य will automatically manifest. It never go waste. ठीक है? So Shruta Grihitiya. Bhakta means it is based on knowledge. This is a very important quote Prabhupada gives there. This is from Rupa Goswami. Shruti Smriti Purana Adi. Shruti means the Vedas. Smriti, Manusmriti, बहुत सारा स्मृति. Puranas, all the Puranas. Shruti Smriti Purana. Pancharatra. This is, we follow Narada Pancharatra. Some people follow Shri Pancharatra. Vidimbina. So if your bhakti is based without Shruti Smriti Purana Pancharatraka. See what is today happening in India in Hinduism? Some खिचड़ी जो किसी ने पहले बनाया था, श्रुति के अनुसार नहीं है, वेद के अनुसार नहीं है, पुराण के अनुसार नहीं है, पंचरात्र के अनुसार नहीं है, कुछ घर में होता था पूजा पाठ वैसे ही में कर रहा है. इसलिए जब इसको उनके टच में आते हैं लोग बंद कर देते, बिकॉज मालूम है इस पर कोई बेसिस ही नहीं था, कोई ज्ञान नहीं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, कोई 10 लोग 10 प्रश्न पूछे, मालूम नहीं है ना. श्रुति स्मृति पुराण आदि पंचरात्रि किम विधिम्ना एकांत की हरेर भक्ति उत्पाद. ये ऐसा भक्ति जो है समाज में उत्पाद पैदा करेगा. करेक्ट? इट विल कॉज ऑल इट विल नॉट गिव एनी बेनिफिट. श्रुति स्मृति पुराण आदि पंचरात्रि किम विधिम्ना एकांत की हरेर भक्ति उत्पादिति कल्पते. ब्यूटिफुल. Now Prabhupada is also in this purport quoting about great acharyas. He is saying ऐसा नहीं है, in the school of bhakti we are following some acharyas, but they are so learned. What is he giving example? The example of Jiva Goswami, the example of Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, so many great acharyas in Vaishnava line. They are vastly learned people. Correct or not? बहुत ही विद्वान लोग हैं, तो वी आर फॉलोइंग देम. ठीक है? इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. ओके. यस माता जी, कहू माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय. ইহা শুনি করে সর্ব সন্ন্যাসীগণ, তোমাকে দেখিয়া যেছে সাক্ষাৎ সাক্ষাৎ নারায়ণ.
Translation. Hearing this, the Mayavadi sannyasis became somewhat humble and addressed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Narayana himself, who they all agreed he was. Purport. Mayavadi sannyasis address each other as Narayana. Whenever they see another sannyasi, they offer him respect by calling Om Namo Narayanaya. I offer my respect unto you, Narayana. Although they know perfectly well what kind of Narayana he is. Narayana has 4 hands, but although they are puffed up with the idea of being Narayana, they cannot exhibit more than 2. Since their philosophy declares that Narayana and an ordinary human being are on the same level, they sometimes use the term Daridra Narayana, poor Narayana, which was invented by a so-called Swami who did not know anything about Vedanta philosophy. Therefore, although all these Mayavadi sannyasis who call themselves Narayana were actually unaware of the position of Narayana, due to the austerities, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu enabled them to understand him to be Narayana himself. Lord Chaitanya is certainly a supreme personality of Godhead, Narayana, appearing as a devotee of Narayana. And thus the Mayavadi sannyasis, understanding that he was directly Narayana himself, whereas they were false, puffed up Narayanas, spoke to him as follows.
Okay, very nice. So Prabhupada is having a joke. They say address each other as Narayana. प्रभु बोलते हैं एक दूसरे को नारायण बोलते हैं, बट हाथ तो 2 ही हैं इनके, दूसरे 2 हाथ की तरह हैं. He's having fun with them. but that's their tendency. There is no knowledge revealed that there is exist. They don't understand this much. We are not body, we are spirit, soul, but there is no knowledge of the Lord. है ना? इतना समझ जाते हैं हम शरीर नहीं आत्मा है, लेकिन भगवान का ज्ञान नहीं है. तो ये लोग एक दूसरे को नारायण 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 बोलते हैं. प्रभुपाद बोलते हैं इतने बेशरम ये लोग, गरीब आदमी को दरिद्र नारायण बोलते हैं. ऐसा बेशरम लोग. भगवान कैसे दरिद्र हो गए भाई? वो तो लक्ष्मीपति है ना, चंचलापति, लक्ष्मीपति. उनको आपने दरिद्र बना दिया. इससे क्या बेइज्जती भगवान की हो सकती है? तो ये सब खिचड़ी पक रही है दुनिया में. दरिद्र नारायण है. अरे भगवान को मंदिर में क्या जाना है, जाके देखते हो, देखो ना गरीब आदमी वो भी भगवान ही है. ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं. क्या करेंगे लोग, क्या समझाएं, क्या बोले? यस माता जी.
তোমারও বাচন শুনি জুড়ায় শ্রবণ, তোমারও মাধুরী দেখি জুড়ায় নয়ন.
Dear Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they said, to tell you the truth, we are greatly pleased to hear your words, and furthermore, your bodily features are so pleasing that we feel extraordinary satisfaction in seeing you. Purport: in the Shastras it is said, Atah Shri Krishna Namadi na bhavet grahyam indiraihi sevan mukhehi jihvadau swayam eva spurati adaha. With one's materially contaminated senses, one cannot understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead or His name, form, qualities, or paraphernalia. But if one renders service unto Him, the Lord reveals Himself. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.2.234. Here, one can see the effect of the Mayavadi sannyasis' service towards Narayana. Because the Mayavadis offered a little respect to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and because they were pious and actually followed the austere rules and regulations of sannyasa, they had some understanding of the Vedanta philosophy, and by the grace of the Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they could appreciate that he was none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is endowed with all 6 opulences. One of these opulences is his beauty. By his extraordinary beautifully bodily features, the Mayavadi sannyasis recognized Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Narayana himself. He was not a freakical Narayana like the Daridra Narayanas invented by so-called sannyasis.
So he's not Daridra Narayana, as so-called imagination, actual Narayana. And what they can see now, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not showing other 6 opulences. What are the 6 opulences of God? What is the shloka? Aishwaryasya Aishwaryasya samagrasya. Who knows the shloka?
ऐश्वर्यस्य समग्रस्य श्रियः वीर्य यशस्यस्य इत्थं भूत गुणो हरिः. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हाँ, ये 2 श्लोक कहाँ से जोड़ दिए? अरे आत्माराम को कहाँ ले आए? हम तो आत्मा ऐश्वर्य समग्रस्य की बात कर रहे हैं.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. ऐश्वर्यस्य समग्रस्य वीर्यस्य यशस्य श्रियः ज्ञानवैराग्ययोश्चैव सन्नं भग इति गणा. हरे कृष्ण.
Wonderful, wonderful. अरे चलो मिला कोई. So Krishna has all the opulences: unlimited wealth, virya, unlimited power, unlimited fame, unlimited beauty, unlimited knowledge, unlimited realization, and vairagya, detachment from the world. Actually, it should be reverse. First, highest respect is given to somebody in spiritual realm. In materialistic society, whom you give highest respect? Person who has unlimited wealth. दुनिया में सबसे रेस्पेक्ट किसको मिलती है? सबसे पैसा है. इवन मिनिस्टर भी उसके यहाँ चपरासी की तरह बैठे रहते हैं. देखा आपने? बड़े बड़े सेठ के यहाँ आपका बॉम्बे में, अंबानी के यहाँ बैठे सब, उसका कोई बच्चे का भी एक छोटा बर्थडे हो उसमें पहुँच जाते हैं सारे मिनिस्टर. क्यों? आपके प्राइम मिनिस्टर ही पहुँच जाते हैं. क्यों? ऐश्वर्य से समझ तो चला रहे हैं गाँव में. सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वही होगी. वीर्य, सबसे पावरफुल आदमी. ठीक है, सबसे पावरफुल आदमी. ठीक है, उसको भी लोग अट्रैक्ट होते हैं भाई. यशा, वेरी फेमस, सब लोग भाई सो फेमस, ही सो मेटेरियलिस्टिक सोसाइटी में ये सीक्वेंस चल रही है ना. देन समबडी आप फोर्थ, कोई सुंदर है, हाँ, दैट इज ऑल्सो अट्रैक्टिव. एंड देन यशा, एंड एवरीबडी थिंक्स ही इज सुंदर, इवन दो इट लुक्स लाइक अ डंकी. सभी लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं. मेरे को तो जानवर दिखते हैं, तरह तरह के लोग देखता हूँ. कोई गधे की तरह दिखता है, कोई कुत्ते की तरह दिखता है, कोई बैल की तरह दिखता है। बोले सब लोग लेकिन शीशे में देखते हैं, घंटे लगे रहते हैं ऐसे। एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट ब्यूटीफुल। विष्णुदूतास को देखोगे ना तो शर्म आएगी। कृष्णा तो छोड़ दो, विष्णुदूतास को देखोगे शायद हम यमदूत जैसे देखेंगे, है ना, इतने भयंकर। ठीक है श्रेया। एंड देन ज्ञान, जब 5 हो गए उसके, 4 हो गए उसके ज्ञान, समबडी सम नॉलेज इज देयर, है ना। एंड वैराग्य, डिटैचमेंट, वी आर डिटैच्ड। ठीक है। अरे मजाक ये है, कोई बेवकूफ़ आके इनमें से 6 में से किसी एक के बारे में भी बोल दे, वी थिंक इट इज़ ट्रू। अरे यार, यू आर वेरी स्मार्ट, वी स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इट इज़ ट्रू। That's why Sanatan Goswami gives that example. Grama vyavahare kahe pandita satya kavimani. In already village talk, they tell I am a very intelligent person and I believe it. That is our problem, we believe. Just imagine if you are standing in front of Krishna, oh Shadeshwarya Purna, what is your condition? क्या दिखा रहे हो उसके सामने अपने को? क्या दिखा रहे हो तुम उसके सामने? हैं? अपना पैसा दिखा रहे हो उसको? षडेश्वर्य पूर्ण के सामने वीर्य, अपनी कंट्रोल दिखा रहे हो। 10 लोग हैं जो मेरे को सुनते हैं, यशा, मेरा फेम, मेरे को इतना लोग जानते हैं, मेरा ब्यूटी, आपका नॉलेज और आपका वैराग्य, है ना, बहुत टाइनी है। सो देयरफॉर सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम, when all this, when we can give up उपाधि because of possessing these 6 things, हम लोग भी थोड़ा ये 6 चीज थोड़ा possess करते हैं, उसके वजह से उपाधि हो जाती है। ठीक है। सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम, then you can, सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परत्वेन निर्मलम, जब मन शुद्ध हो जाता है उपाधि छोड़ के, then हम भक्ति शुरू होती है। जब तक ये 6 चीजें हमारे सिन को हॉन्ट करते रहते हैं, हमारी भक्ति शुरू नहीं हो पाती, है ना, मन कहीं और ही फंसा हुआ है। सो वेरी नाइस एक्चुअली। So these people have done some service. सेवोन मुखे जीवादो, लिटिल सर्विस। कृष्ण क्या किया था? बहुत रेस्पेक्टफुली चैतन्य महाप्रभु को वहाँ बाहर बैठे हुए थे, उठा के लाए थे। वो छोटा सेवा करने की वजह से उनका मन थोड़ा कृष्ण का कृपा आ गया। अतः श्री कृष्ण नाम आदि न भवेन्नंदीयम सेवोन मुखे जीवादो, थोड़ा सेवा किया, and that's why their bhakti has actually opened up. ठीक है। Little respect. And Prabhupada say another thing, they were like dry grass. See, आजकल के जो जनरली मायावादी लोग हैं ना, आपके नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, सब बकवास है, वो कुछ फॉलो नहीं कर रहे। बट ये लोग ना फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ये स्ट्रिक्ट सन्यासी थे। प्रभुपाद जी बोलते हैं, अगर मायावादी सन्यासी कोई मिले जो स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो कर रहा है, उसको भी नमस्कार करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो तो कर रहा है ना, इंद्रिय भोग को बंद कर दिया है, उसका मतलब मायावादी सन्यासी है ना। अगर स्ट्रिक्टली ये कर रहा है, सारा इंद्रिय भोग बंद कर दिया उसने, उसको भी नमस्कार करना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ऑर्डिनरी टू डू दैट, ही हैज अचीव्ड दैट। ठीक है। सो देयरफॉर प्रभुपाद इज सेइंग दे वर प्योर एक्चुअली सन्यासीस। ऐसा नहीं, आजकल का तो गड़बड़ी रहता है, बट दे आर प्योर सन्यासीस, दे आर फॉलोइंग, है ना। So then, because of they are pure, and you put fire, thuk, fire. Dry wood, if you put fire, fire will immediately burn. So they immediately fire burn. Okay? And then beauty. So they could appreciate Lord Chaitanya's beautiful features. Yes, Ko Mataji.
তোমারও প্রভাবে সবার আনন্দিত মন, কভু অসঙ্গত নহে তোমারও বচন।
Dear Sir, by your influence, our minds are greatly satisfied, and we believe that your words will never be unreasonable. Therefore, you may speak on the Vedanta Sutra. Purport: in this verse, the words Tomara Prabhave, your influence, are very important. Unless one is spiritually advanced, he cannot influence an audience. Bhakti Vinoda Thakur has sung, Shuddha Bhakta Charana Renu Bhajana Anukula. Unless one associates with a pure devotee, he cannot be influenced to understand devotional service. These Mayavadi sannyasis were fortunate enough to meet the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the form of a devotee, and certainly they were greatly influenced by the Lord. They knew that since a perfectly advanced spiritualist never says anything false, all his words are reasonable and agree with the Vedic version. A highly realized person never says anything that has no meaning. Mayavadi philosophers claim to be the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and this has no meaning. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never uttered such nonsense. The Mayavadi sannyasis were convinced about his personality, and therefore they wanted to hear the purport of Vedanta philosophy from him. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Krishna Shakti vina na hoye parivartana. So what is happening? Prabhupada says he cannot see people कहता ना sixth sense everybody has. So when you meet a very advanced devotee, लगता है यार मैं कुछ इससे सुनने का. Prabhupada says this cannot be artificially created. Unless see what is the word? Unless one is spiritually advanced, he cannot influence. Because see, there is spirit. At least your behavior should be so gentle and perfect. Correct? The people will develop respect for you. Then they will sit and want to hear you. Anna? Great. Unless your life is not able to develop into a respectable situation, you cannot, people will not be eager to hear you. See, jab tak there is no, see why the education system is collapsing today? Because with the teacher and student there is no respect. And एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती, teacher is also responsible. बस बोलते हैं सर मैं दारू पीने गया था, वहाँ हमारे प्रोफेसर ही बैठे थे. So how will he hear him next day in the class? बेटा दारू. So there is no respect, number one. There is no affection, another one. Just like दोस्तों के बीच में क्या होता है, कॉलेज में क्लास में बैठे 2 मिनट बैठना नहीं चाहते हैं, वहाँ से किसी तरह बाहर निकले और कैंटीन में बैठे 3 घंटे दोस्त के साथ गप करते हैं. What is the difference? उसके साथ रिलेशन है, इधर रिलेशन नहीं है ना? So teacher has to develop some relation, दोस्ती नहीं, some affection and respect. He should command respect, not demand. Command by his knowledge, by his behavior, he should command respect, है ना? So a pure devotee. Now this is karma kanda की मैं बोल रहा हूँ. This is spiritually now. Spiritually also this phenomena will be there. Unless one is spiritually advanced, he cannot influence an audience. ठीक है ना? So you want to say, everybody wants to become Jagat Guru, bano bhai, but please become spiritually advanced. Otherwise, people will hear you, but there is no benefit. One thing, they don't want to hear you. And if they by mistake they hear also, there is no benefit.
প্রভু কহে বেদান্ত সূত্র ঈশ্বর বচন ব্যাস রূপে কইল যাহা শ্রী নারায়ণ.
The Lord said, Vedanta philosophy consists of words spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead Narayana in the form of Vyasadeva. Purport?
No, next time we will do. Itna bada purport hai. ठीक है, now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's reply has started. We will try to get into this and try to understand this. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explaining. Now you see he built the platform. See, like Srila Prabhupada, everybody has an idea how to preach Krishna consciousness around the world, but Prabhupada knew how to do it. He had a practical action plan how to achieve it. Okay, na? That's why Prabhupada is so unique. So similarly, we should also have a practical action plan. Not that we know Bhagavad Gita philosophy, but do we have an action plan that we will make many people devotees? That is what is needed. Okay? We should have an action plan by which we implement it, and then so many people become devotees. Okay, Hare Krishna, we will continue from 106 note kar lena. Hare Krishna.
Yes, प्रभु जी केशव भारती आपने बताना था.
क्या करना था?
Nimbarka philosophy. Sampradaya.
Nimbarka Sampradaya.
He went to Nimbarka Sampradaya, yes. He contributed later in Nimbarka Sampradaya. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. And the Vallabha Bhatta has contributed in Rudra Sampradaya. Hare Krishna, everybody. And then Prabodhananda Saraswati, who he contributed in which Sampradaya? Prabodhananda Saraswati. Later he contributed. All of them contributed different Sampradaya. The Vaishnava Sampradaya only. Okay. Okay, Hare Krishna, everybody.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dava Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Pranam.
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण प्रभु जी
हरे
दंडवत
कृष्ण
प्रणाम।
चलो भाई
हरे
दर्शन
कृष्ण
हरे
प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
हरे राम
हरे
हरे
राम
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 हरे
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 हरे कृष्णा 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 कृष्णा
कृष्णा
हरे
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 राम हरे राम राम राम
राम
हरे
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 हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा
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 हरे
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 हरे राम हरे
राम हरे
राम
राम
राम राम हरे
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 हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा
कृष्णा
हरे
हरे हरे
राम हरे
राम
राम
हरे राम